What if we told you that some of the pistols trusted by elite military units are now available to civilians, and not for long? In 2026, a handful of handguns are standing out for their reliability, combat-ready performance, and real-world value. From modern striker-fired designs to proven classics, these pistols are winning where many new releases are failing. Today, we're breaking down the guns everyone's talking about, and why you should pay attention right now. This video is for educational purposes only, and does not promote harm or unsafe use of firearms. Number 8. Ruger American Pistol Compact. The Ruger American Pistol Compact is one of those handguns that doesn't chase hype, but earns respect through performance, durability, and real-world practicality. When people hear claims about elite units influencing modern pistol design, this is exactly the type of firearm they're talking about: rugged, reliable, and built to function under pressure. And yes, civilians can buy it without jumping through hoops. Chambered in 9mm, the Ruger American Compact was designed with duty use in mind. It features a robust polymer frame, a stainless steel slide, and a recoil system that handles sustained firing exceptionally well. The grip angle feels natural, especially for shooters who value control over flash. Ambidextrous controls make it accessible to both left and right-handed users, something professionals and civilians alike appreciate. On the range, this pistol delivers consistent accuracy and excellent reliability. Recoil is smooth and predictable, allowing fast follow-up shots, an essential trait for home defense and defensive carry. The trigger is clean with a positive reset, not competition light, but perfect for real-world use where safety and control matter more than speed alone. Where the Ruger American Compact truly shines is value for money. It offers duty-grade construction without the premium price tag seen on many tactical pistols. It's equally at home as a home defense firearm, range pistol, or concealed carry option with the right holster. While it may not dominate social media, this pistol represents what serious shooters look for in 2026: reliability over trends, performance over marketing. If you want a no-nonsense handgun built for people who trust their equipment with their lives, the Ruger American Pistol Compact deserves your attention. Number 7. Colt Defender 1911. Proves that even in 2026, classic design still wins when it's done right. While modern polymer pistols dominate the market, elite users and experienced shooters continue to trust the 1911 platform for one simple reason: performance under pressure. The Defender is Colt's answer to those who want legendary reliability in a compact, carry-ready package that civilians can legally own. Chambered in .45 ACP, the Colt Defender delivers serious stopping power in a surprisingly compact frame. Its shortened barrel and aluminum frame make it easier to carry than a full-size 1911, without sacrificing the crisp trigger pull the platform is famous for. The single-action trigger is light, clean, and incredibly predictable, one of the biggest reasons professionals still favor 1911-style pistols. On the range, the Defender feels solid and controlled, even with powerful defensive ammunition. Recoil is sharp but manageable, and accuracy at defensive distances is outstanding. The slim grip profile allows excellent ergonomics, especially for shooters who prefer a natural point of aim. This pistol rewards good fundamentals and feels like an extension of the shooter's hand. Real-world usability is where the Colt Defender shines. It's an excellent option for concealed carry, home defense, and even collectors who appreciate American firearms history. While magazine capacity is lower than modern double-stack pistols, many shooters gladly trade capacity for precision, trigger quality, and confidence. In an era of optics-ready slides and striker-fired dominance, the Colt Defender 1911 stands as proof that timeless design never goes out of style. For shooters who value craftsmanship and combat-proven performance, this is a pistol worth owning. Number 6. FNX-45 Tactical. The FNX-45 Tactical is not a pistol built for trends, it's built for serious use. When discussions turn to military-grade handguns and elite units, this pistol always enters the conversation. Designed by FN, a company with deep roots in military contracts, the FNX-45 Tactical offers civilians access to a handgun that feels every bit like professional equipment. Chambered in .45 ACP, the FNX-45 Tactical combines heavy-hitting power with modern features rarely found together. It comes factory-equipped with a threaded barrel, suppressor height sights, and an optics-ready slide, making it one of the most versatile tactical pistols on the market. The polymer frame keeps weight manageable while still providing excellent durability. On the range, the FNX-45 Tactical delivers surprisingly smooth recoil for a .45 caliber pistol. The long grip allows a full firing grip, improving control during rapid fire. Accuracy is excellent, especially when paired with a red dot optic. The trigger, while not competition grade, is consistent and predictable, ideal for duty or defensive use. What truly sets this pistol apart is capacity. With a high-capacity magazine for a .45 ACP handgun, it offers more firepower than most shooters expect from this caliber. That makes it a strong choice for home defense, range use, and tactical applications. In 2026, pistols like this are becoming rarer due to rising production costs and shifting market demand. For shooters who want military-inspired performance without military restrictions, the FNX-45 Tactical stands in a league of its own. Number 5. Walther PPS M2. The Walther PPS M2 is proof that slim, single-stack pistols still have a place in 2026, especially for shooters who prioritize comfort, concealability, and precision. While many manufacturers are chasing higher-capacity micro-compacts, Walther quietly refined a pistol that focuses on shootability and reliability, making it a favorite among experienced concealed carry users. Chambered in 9mm, the PPS M2 features an ultra-slim profile that disappears under light clothing. Its ergonomics are excellent, with Walther's signature grip design offering a secure, natural feel despite the pistol's narrow frame. The grip texture provides control without being abrasive, which is ideal for all-day carry. On the range, the PPS M2 surprises many shooters. Despite its slim size, recoil is well managed, and the pistol remains stable during rapid fire. Accuracy is outstanding for a concealed carry handgun, thanks to Walther's excellent barrel quality and refined trigger system. The trigger pull is smooth, with a clean break and a short reset that encourages precise follow-up shots. In real-world use, the PPS M2 excels as a concealed carry and personal defense pistol. It's easy to draw, quick to acquire sights, and dependable with a wide range of defensive ammunition. While magazine capacity is lower than double-stack options, many shooters find the trade-off worth it for improved comfort and control. As 2026 approaches, pistols like the PPS M2 are being overshadowed by high-capacity designs. That makes this an ideal time to own one. For shooters who value German engineering, reliability, and effortless concealment, the Walther PPS M2 remains a smart and trusted choice. Number 4. Shadow Systems MR920. The Shadow Systems MR920 is a pistol that blurs the line between a factory handgun and a custom-built performance gun. In 2026, this is one of the clearest examples of how modern design, when done right, can outperform many traditional duty pistols. Inspired by the Glock platform but refined in every critical area, the MR920 delivers premium features that civilians can legally own right out of the box. Chambered in 9mm, the MR920 offers a compact frame with excellent balance and control. What immediately stands out is the ergonomics. The grip angle, aggressive texture, and interchangeable backstraps allow shooters to tailor the pistol to their hand, something elite users demand. The slide is optics ready from the factory, making it ideal for red dot users without aftermarket modifications. On the range, the MR920 performs exceptionally well. Recoil is flat and controlled, allowing fast and accurate follow-up shots. The trigger is cleaner and more refined than standard striker-fired pistols, with a crisp break and short reset. Accuracy is outstanding at both defensive and extended distances, reinforcing its reputation as a serious shooter's gun. In real-world use, the MR920 excels as a duty pistol, home defense firearm, and concealed carry option with the right setup. Reliability is rock solid, even under high round counts, and the pistol runs smoothly with defensive ammunition. Shadow Systems built this handgun for shooters who actually train, not just collectors. As prices rise and production tightens in 2026, pistols like the MR920 are becoming harder to find. If you want custom gun performance without custom gun headaches, this is one of the smartest buys available. Number 3. Taurus GX4. The Taurus GX4 represents one of the biggest shifts in the handgun market, affordable pistols that don't feel cheap. In 2026, this micro-compact continues to gain attention from shooters who want reliability, concealability, and value for money without paying premium prices. It's a pistol designed for real people, not just enthusiasts with large budgets. Chambered in 9mm, the GX4 features a compact frame that's ideal for everyday concealed carry. Despite its small size, the grip is surprisingly comfortable, allowing a secure hold even for shooters with larger hands. Taurus paid close attention to ergonomics here, and it shows. The slide serrations and controls are practical and easy to manipulate under stress. On the range, the GX4 delivers solid accuracy and controllable recoil for a micro-compact pistol. The trigger has a smooth take-up and a clean break, making it approachable for newer shooters while still satisfying experienced users. Follow-up shots are fast, and the pistol remains stable during defensive drills. In real-world scenarios, the Taurus GX4 excels as a concealed carry and personal defense handgun. Its lightweight design makes it comfortable for all-day carry, while its reliability has significantly improved compared to older Taurus models. Many shooters are surprised by how dependable this pistol has become in recent years. As manufacturers push prices higher in 2026, pistols like the GX4 are becoming increasingly important. It offers modern features, dependable performance, and accessibility for civilians who want protection without overspending. If you're looking for a practical, budget-friendly handgun that still delivers when it matters, the Taurus GX4 deserves serious consideration. Number 2. Canik TP9 Elite SC. The Canik TP9 Elite SC has earned a strong reputation in 2026 as one of the best-performing compact pistols for the money. Known for delivering competition-level features at a civilian-friendly price, this pistol continues to surprise shooters who expect far less from its price point. It's a handgun built for people who actually shoot, often and seriously. Chambered in 9mm, the TP9 Elite SC offers a compact frame with excellent ergonomics. The grip texture is aggressive without being uncomfortable, and the beaver tail design allows a high, secure grip that helps manage recoil. The pistol comes optics ready from the factory, which is a major advantage for modern shooters who prefer red dot sights. On the range, the Canik truly shines. The trigger is one of the best in its class. Light, crisp, and extremely consistent. Recoil is flat and controlled, allowing fast transitions between targets and rapid follow-up shots. Accuracy is outstanding, making this pistol suitable for both defensive use and range training. In real-world use, the TP9 Elite SC works well as a concealed carry, home defense and range pistol. Reliability is excellent, even with extended shooting sessions and various ammunition types. Canik's attention to detail and quality control has made this model a favorite among value-conscious shooters. As prices rise across the firearms market in 2026, pistols like the TP9 Elite SC stand out. It delivers premium performance without a premium price tag. For civilians who want features normally found on far more expensive pistols, this is one handgun that's hard to ignore. Number 1. Tisas PX9 Gen 3. The Tisas PX9 Gen 3 is one of the most underrated pistols in the 2026 market, quietly earning respect from shooters who value reliability, simplicity, and affordability. While many brands focus heavily on marketing, Tisas has taken a different approach, building a pistol that performs well in real-world conditions without unnecessary complexity. Chambered in 9mm, the PX9 Gen 3 features a solid polymer frame and a well-balanced slide that keeps recoil manageable. The grip design is straightforward but effective, offering a secure hold during extended shooting sessions. Controls are intuitive and easy to reach, making the pistol approachable for both new and experienced shooters. On the range, the PX9 Gen 3 delivers consistent accuracy and dependable performance. Recoil is predictable, allowing shooters to stay on target during rapid fire. The trigger is smooth with a clean break. Nothing flashy, but entirely functional for defensive and range use. This pistol runs reliably with a wide variety of ammunition, which is a major advantage in uncertain supply conditions. In real-world use, the PX9 Gen 3 works well as a home defense pistol, range handgun, or even a duty-style sidearm. Its durability and ease of maintenance make it especially appealing to shooters who want a no-nonsense firearm they can trust. For the price, it offers exceptional value and performance. As the market becomes increasingly crowded with expensive feature-heavy pistols, the Tisas PX9 Gen 3 stands out by doing the basics extremely well. For civilians who want a dependable handgun without paying premium prices, this pistol is a smart and practical choice. Outro. Those were the pistols dominating the conversation in 2026, handguns that combine reliability, performance, and real-world trust. Whether you're a collector, concealed carry holder, or home defense buyer, these guns prove that civilians can still access elite-level firearms. Now we want to hear from you. Which pistol would you choose and why? Drop a comment below, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more expert reviews from the Gun Vault.